continue to add on the question of journalists. I suspect the we see the situation in the country only deteriorating in the course of this year. And as we mentioned before, that over more than 17 million people are now in a situation of food insecurity. When over 7 million people in this country don't know where their next meal will come from, there are some places only having one meal a day. And even if there's a comprehensive peace agreement was signed tomorrow, the situation in terms of the humanitarian impact of this crisis will continue for many years to come.